Hello everyone, welcome back to our brand new video. This video is for our customer who has ordered like in a customized designs in a Kenzo brand and a Guess brand, but he need interlock fabrication for these two colors and designs. There's a prominent having the option for the customized design for 300 pieces for one particular design. So he has ordered like 1000 pieces in two colors and two particular designs because we have to make the printing in a emboss. So let me show you the fabrication. We have tell him to increase the rib length of the 1 inch, but he need the proper half inch rib, so that's not our fault. What buyers want, we will make the same thing. So let me show you the product. You can see that is the emboss printing, and there is a glitter on it. You can see there is a reflection. It's a totally a premium product of 260 GSM plus fabrication, and it's an interlock fabrication, and the interlock fabrication mixed of the 51% of the cotton and 46% of the polyester, and the 4 to 5% of the spandex over it. And these are the buyer for the USA, and I'm showcasing you the fabric quality. There is the interlock fabrication, not that much stretchy, but these are heavyweight t-shirts. Who are looking for the heavyweight t-shirts, interlock fabric will be much more great fabric for the heavyweight t-shirts. Here is the one design, and that is the another one. These are the customized design pattern which has ordered by our customer. He has given us two designs to make it properly in that colors. That's why we have used the semi rainbow contracted in the Kenzo flash. That is also the emboss. You can see the thickness. And let me show you the inside part of the t-shirt. Here is the inside part of the t-shirt. You can see our stitching quality 100% export, because we are showing you the exact what we make for our customers in a customized order. Here's a rib joint. Everything is proper in a very good quality, and that is the preview for the mass production. Before that is a PP sample for our customer. Our customer will see the video, and also we are showing our other customers what we can make in our customized orders. So that's it for today. Signing off from Everywhere Bangladesh Limited.